Rainy day, muggy, hot, humid. Look at that out there. Sounds like excuses to me. We're about to get in a little light 2-mile run. Nothing crazy. You know, I'm coming back from surgery, so let's do it. Come on.
This is absolutely stinky weather.
But it's perfect. Oh, I just went through a spider web. It's perfect for a good old-fashioned run. Let's get it. This park I'm at, it's... Oh, wait, let me fix that for you. Yeah, there we go. This park I'm going to, it's not far from my house. About 2-minute drive. It's probably gonna be pouring, but I love that. I love the extra added pain. I love it. People think, you know, they want to be great. They want to become a professional whatever, soccer player, athlete, CEO. But at the end of the day, are you willing to do the things that you don't want to do? Are you willing to run outside when it's pouring? Are you willing to push through the pain that your body's telling you about? I once had a coach, and he said, everybody wants to be a beast, everybody wants to play like a beast, but no one wants to train like a beast. And I think there's a lot of truth to that. No one likes the training, but if you trick your brain into saying, yeah, I love running every day, yeah, then you're gonna love running every day, and then you're, as a byproduct, you're gonna become a beast. But if you're like, oh, it's raining, it's gonna be cold, I might get sick, then you're just gonna you're gonna be weak. You're gonna be weak. And in today's society, I'm sorry, there's too many weak people out there. It's good for me because, hey, I have less competition, but Rev, if you want to be something, do something with your life, you gotta push through that weakness. All right, we here. Let's go. Let's get it. We out here. No excuses. Let's go. 2 miles, something light. I don't see anyone else out here. This is where you get yourself ahead of the competition. Everyone else is in bed. Everyone else is sleeping. Everyone else is crying that it's raining outside. These are the days where you make yourself better. This is how you get above the competition. Let's go. Come on. You don't gotta be a genius. It's not rocket science to learn how to become great. It's a simple formula. You gotta be consistent. And by consistent, I don't mean once a week, once every 4 days, not even once every 3 days. Once every 2 days is some baby stuff right there. You need to be consistent every single day. It doesn't matter how your body feels. Your brain is the enemy. That little voice inside your head, he's an enemy. He's an op. You gotta fight through that. You tell that little voice, you don't control me. You tame that weaker self of you. No one should stop you from being great, especially not yourself. Today I want to talk about Comparison. Comparison is a thief of joy. I'm sure y'all have heard that many times, but it's true. Especially if you're in a competitive field, you're an athlete, you look at all your friends around you, and they're all signing contracts, they're all playing pro, and there's you. And then you start to feel sorry for yourself. You start to say, why them? Why not me? And that's where you get your real answers. You stop feeling bad for yourself. And you understand it's your own incompetence. It's your own feeble mind. Stop looking at others. It's you versus you. Stop it with that weak stuff. God didn't create you to be weak. God didn't create you to sit at home and lie on the sofa and waste away your life. God didn't create you to eat potato chips and wine all day. God created you with dreams. God created you to be the best version of yourself. Don't let him down. Be great. I always hear excuses in every walk of life. And I used to make them too, and I still do today. But we must try and combat those evil thoughts, those weak thoughts. I recently had a surgery. It's about 6 weeks ago. I had a sports hernia, and they put a mesh, did the mesh surgery. It's supposed to be one of the most painful surgeries. I had all the excuses, all the ammo to be weak. But I stopped myself. You need to flee from those thoughts. Flee from weakness. Do you want to feel good now and feel crap later? Or feel crap now and feel good later? Make a decision. And make sure you know the consequences of that decision. You see, physical activity isn't always about improving your physique. It's also about improving your brain, your mental strength. And that's the most important thing. If you have control over your mind, you'll have control over your body. When you start to feel tired, your body tells you you're done. You still got at least 30% more, scientifically proven. It's that mind, it's your mind that keeps you from fulfilling your potential. Come on, let's go. No time for weakness here. Your stomach hurts, your injury hurts. Push through it. Be hard. Let's go. Someone out there needs to hear this right now. I don't care if you're fat. I don't care if you're skinny. No excuses. This isn't for anybody else. This is for you. Do yourself a favor and stop being lazy. Get in the gym. Get on the field. Start running. Do something to better yourself. You'll thank me later. This one's for my athletes out there. Y'all know you can do more. Y'all know you can do more. Okay, just team practice isn't enough.
You say you want to be great, but you put in the bare minimum. Come on, bro. You're better than that. Prove it to yourself that you're not weak. Fulfill your potential. God gave you a dream for a reason. Don't let it go to waste, man. Come on. As I'm on my last mile here, I want to talk about obstacles. We all have them. Many people see them as a bad thing. I see them as a great thing. I play soccer, football. I've been rejected so many times. Countless times I've had coaches tell me, you'll never make it. You're too fat. You're too slow. You're not fit. And at the time I was like, damn, bro, are they right? Have they just defined me? No. You gotta prove them wrong. Use that as fuel. There's nothing more powerful than when you wanna prove something to someone who told you you can't. Use that as fuel, man. U15, I was told, you can't even run a 6-minute mile. You'll never get to any type of level. Last year, I made it on a USL League 2 team. Two divisions under MLS. But that's not good enough. I didn't start, only started one game the whole season. Got subbed on the second to last game. I was a spectator. I had imposter syndrome. I didn't think that I was good enough to be there. And then I thought, looking back, when I did start, I played incredible. Had one of my best games yet. Out of position, playing center back, don't care. Because my mentality had changed at that point. And it would never have changed had I not had those obstacles of being on the bench, of not being able to even travel with the squad on certain game days. I had the coach, one game, I was on the bench, 80th minute. Our center back goes down, our CDM, I think it was our CDM, that's my position. He goes down, it's me and a center back on the bench. The coach looks at me for about 5 seconds, dead in the eyes. And he says the center back's name. That crushed me. I'm not gonna lie, that crushed me. But that, at the time, I was distraught. I had anger. And I really dug deep and looked inside. If I was him, I would have done the same. I look at the bench, see this younger kid, 20 years old. Players like Bellingham winning Champions League, and I can't even have the balls to believe that that's the right level for me. I don't blame him. In fact, I thank him. He lit that fire under my butt. Because I'm never gonna let that happen again. I'll outwork everybody. I don't care the weather. I don't care the temperature. I am gonna be great. This dream I've been cradling since I was young. I never truly believed in myself. Playing with ex-pros, felt inferior until that moment. Something snapped, something changed. To not ever let that happen again. Moral of the story, find the silver lining in everything. Don't cry over stupid stuff. Don't sulk like a little baby. Use it as fuel, as gas, to propel yourself to where you know you can be. Fulfill your potential. Come on. I'm about 1.5 miles through, trying to build up that strength again. Lost all my strength from that 6-7 month hiatus that I had with my injury. I'm not gonna use that as an excuse. There's so many people I know who have the skill, the technique, but when they go through an obstacle, they give up. One friend, incredible player, me and him were like the star marquee men in our high school team. He had a lot of injuries though. He hurt his knee. I was at the alumni game a year back, and I asked him, bro, what happened? And he said, nah, man, my knee, I can't do it. Your knee, you can't do it? You know how many people would beg to have your legs? You know how many people would beg to have the opportunity that you have? And you're saying you can't do it? Come on, man. That's weak. That's really weak. Be better. Let's go. On here. I want all of you out there to know that you can do it. You have the potential to be great. Don't let yourself down. Consistency is greater than motivation. Be hard, be good, fulfill your potential. Come on. All done with the shower. Gonna make some food. Let's go. I'm hungry, man. Those runs really take it out of you. That's it for today. Subscribe if you want more content. We're gonna be, I run pretty much every day, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe and follow the journey.